Hi guys! YouTube creator outside the US to submit tax information. I received an email from YouTube saying that Google is required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside the US later this year in June 2021. But wait, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you will get information like this in future. There are two very important questions for creators outside the US. Number one, is it okay not to submit tax information? Yes, but you will be taxed with a maximum tax rate. This means your earnings will be deducted up to 30%. Question number two, what can I get if I will file the tax information? If you are a creator outside the US, you would still be taxed. But you will get a reduced tax rate if your claims are approved. And so, why don't you give it a try? Let's now delve into the computer. First, log into your Google AdSense account and click Manage Tax Information on the Payments tab. Click Add Information and you will be required to log into your Google account. There are 6 steps to complete the form. If you are not a citizen or a resident in the United States, you will select W-8 BEN tax form, which is used for non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty or reduced tax benefits. Number 1. Tax identity. For this part, you are requested to indicate your country of citizenship and indicate your tax information number. Number 2. Address. You need to indicate your permanent address and your postal address. In my case, my permanent address is in the Philippines and my postal address is currently in Singapore. If you are in Singapore, both permanent address and postal address should be the same. Number 3. Tax treaty. U.S. tax law may impose 30% withholding tax on payments that are considered U.S. source income. Next, you select Yes and put the country where you are a permanent resident, for example, Philippines for me. I get to select special rates and conditions, services there's no reduced rate available, motion picture 15% reduced rate, and other copyright, tick all 3. Step 4, put a tick mark that you confirm and review the tax document. You'll get a preview of the document. And step 5 is you have to electronically sign the form and tick yes. That is your certification. Step 6. Affidavit. Activities and services performed in the US, select no and tick certify. Are you providing tax info for a new existing profile that hasn't received payments or existing profile that hasn't received payments? Select what is applicable to you, then click Submit. Next step is to submit a proof document or proof of address. You can submit any of the following: driving license, passport, taxpayer certificate, other government ID, and upload the document. After you upload the document, verification will be in progress. You go back to your Payment tab on Google AdSense and click Manage Tax Info. You will be able to see that your tax information is in review status. I submitted the tax information on the 15th March, and 4 days after, I received an email that my tax information has been approved. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video had helped you at least, a thumbs up is appreciated, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos. Talk to you soon.